you have learned about blood circulation, how the blood is circulated, from where it is going and where it is coming. Cardiac cycle kya hai, systole and diastole. You came to know about blood vessels, arteries and veins. And now coming to blood pressure, BP. Blood pressure can also be called as BP, short term of it. And generally people say, I am suffering from BP, you know. Oh my God, what's this? Everyone has BP. Even in my body, BP is there. I mean, blood is flowing with some pressure. Usko blood pressure bolenge. Don't say I'm having blood pressure. You say I'm suffering from BP. Everyone has BP. You have to say I'm suffering from high blood pressure. You know, I'm having low blood pressure. Then it is a complication. BP to har ek ko rehta beta. The newly born baby also have BP. That is, blood pressure is nothing but the force of the blood that is applied on the walls of artery. Suppose ये आपकी artery है, red color की जो थी ना artery just now have shown. तो when blood is flowing between that बेटा, जब ये blood flow हो रहा है, all these are blood, ये blood flow हो रहा, तो it shows some pressure, on the walls of artery. ये artery के walls है. On the walls of artery, pressure will be exerted. जब blood flow हो रहा, it exerts pressure. Then the blood can move from one place to another place. The blood is coming out now and it is going. It is going all the different parts of our body. So when the blood is flowing this way, that pressure is called as blood pressure. So blood pressure is nothing but the force of blood applied on the walls of arteries. I repeat, the force of blood that is applied against the walls of the arteries so that the blood can flow is called as blood pressure. And the normal blood pressure is 120 by 80. What is the normal blood pressure in every human being, adult person? 120 by 80. If it is less than that, it is low blood pressure. More than that, then we call it as high blood pressure, or we can call it as hypertension. Yes, beta, high blood pressure or hypertension. Low blood pressure and high blood pressure. Hypertension, never take yourself stress, tension. These are not good things, beta. The moment we take tensions and all, we will be suffering from strokes, heart attacks, kidney diseases, kidney failure, many other complications like depression mein chale ja rahe log. Why to take tension? Even a class 10 student is taking tension. Why to say a class 10 student? A small boy is taking tension when mobile is not given to him nowadays. The pandemic situation has made that way. But whatever the situation, remember Allah and be calm, patient, so that can keep all your organs fit and healthy. So blood pressure is very important, beta. So 120 by 80, what I have written here, 120 by 80, it is almost looking like a mathematic fraction, right? Yes, beta. The numerator here indicates systolic pressure. And the denominator, you know, max में भी the fraction में जो ऊपर आएगा उसको numerator बोलेंगे, जो नीचे आएगा lines उसको denominator बोलेंगे, right? So the numerator is the systolic pressure and the denominator is the diastolic pressure. So just now I told you systole and diastole in cardiac cycle, right? So ऊपर का जो, I mean the pressure which is above is called as systolic pressure, and the pressure that is down is called as diastolic pressure. Contraction pressure is systolic pressure, relaxation pressure is diastolic pressure, and it can be written by 120 by 80. So the 120 by 80 here indicates the numerator systolic pressure, the denominator diastolic pressure. But if it becomes 130 by 90, then you are having high blood pressure or hypertension. If it is below that, like 90 by 70, then you are having low blood pressure or low BP. So all these are complications, but if you are not taking care of your, body properly, your organs properly, keeping yourself tensed always, things happen. We are humans. But be patient and be cool.